In this video, I'll guide you through how to renew a domain in GoDaddy step by step so you can keep your website online without any interruptions. Whether your domain is about to expire or you're just being proactive, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do and what to pay attention to along the way. Let's start from the very beginning with signing into your GoDaddy account. Open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy website. At the top of the page, look for the sign in option. Click that, then enter your username and password and complete any security verification if prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main account area. From here, you want to get into your domain portfolio, which is where all your domains are listed. If you don't see it right away, look for a section or menu item labeled Domains or My Domains and click that to open your portfolio. Inside your domain portfolio, you'll see a list of all the domain names associated with your account. Take a moment to scan through and find the domain you want to renew. If you have many domains, you can usually use a search bar or filter tools at the top of the page to locate a specific one quickly. Once you find the domain, look to the left of its name for a checkbox. Click the checkbox next to the domain you want to renew. If you have multiple domains expiring around the same time and you'd like to renew them all together, simply check the boxes for each domain you want to include in this renewal. After selecting the domain or domains, you're ready to start the actual renewal. Near the top of the page, you should see a menu or an action bar appear once you've checked a box. Look for the option labeled Renew Now and click it. This will usually open a renewal page or a cart screen where you can confirm the details. Depending on your GoDaddy layout, you might also see a dedicated Renew option directly on the domain settings page. If you click on the domain name itself, you'll go into the settings for that specific domain. On that page, look for a card or a button labeled Renew and select it. Both methods take you to the same place, the renewal process. On the renewal screen, double check the domain name, the renewal period, and the price. You may be able to choose how many years you want to renew for. When everything looks correct, proceed to checkout, confirm your payment method, and complete the purchase. Once your payment goes through, your domain is renewed. You should see an updated expiration date in your domain portfolio, and that's all there is to renewing a domain in GoDaddy.